Hey guys, this is Eddie with WTI, and today I want to share with you a tripod that is fantastic for everyday recordings and also for traveling. As you can tell, it's very compact, it's super small, so that it fits in a backpack or a suitcase without a problem. Also, it actually extends up to 50 inches, which is really fantastic. And as you can tell, I use it to record with my iPhone. I just attach the adapter and I'm able to make videos like the ones I'm making right now, and it works fantastic. There's a couple of features that I like. That it has a quick release, so you can remove the top if you needed it. You can adjust the lever, and it does have a level on it. So overall, this tripod is amazing. It's very lightweight, and it doesn't take up any room whatsoever. I absolutely love it, and I think you will too. And that's my point of view.